Welcome back to the Black Cowboy Show. We out here wrenching on this damn transmission. Still trying to get this shit off of here. It's being hell, man. I've been all in the dirt. I'm looking a mess right now, y'all. It's the last two boats I had left. Not too bad. Not too bad. Last two I had left, and then I can drop this damn thing. I'm out here working like crazy. Alright, where's that 15? Or 18. 18. Small ratchet. Alright, people. I'll get back to you guys here in a little bit. Oh. This is it right here. There we go. I can use this to stretch it. But yep, gotta pull out a transmission with my goodie bag right here. That's all I got, people. And I'm gonna make it work. So I'll get back to you guys on the Black Cowboy Show. Have a good one.